case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Hess v. Pawloski, decided by the Supreme Court in 1927, sparked legal debate when a Pennsylvania resident was sued for his alleged negligent driving in Massachusetts. This case explored the question: could a state have jurisdiction over a non-resident involved in a motor vehicle incident within its borders? The lawsuit arose over the Pennsylvania resident's alleged negligence on Massachusetts highways, where he apparently caused personal injury to a Massachusetts citizen. The case hinged on Massachusetts law specifying that non-residents needed to assign an official in-state agent to receive legal notices for any proceedings related to highway accidents. The matter soon boiled down to a jurisdictional dispute, with the defendant from Pennsylvania robustly arguing that the Massachusetts court's exercise of jurisdiction over him was a breach of the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause. This presented the court with a fairly complex constitutional question: whether or not such a state law encroached on the due process rights guaranteed by the Constitution. The court, however, sided with the state of Massachusetts. They underlined the state's power to legislate the use of its highways, extending this to insist on non-residents designating an agent on whom process may be served. The Massachusetts policy, they observed, was reasonable in allowing sufficient time for defense and necessitating actual receipt of service notice. Importantly, the court further stressed that the state did not discriminate against non-residents, instead striving to put them on an equal footing with residents. Hence, the 14th Amendment was safe, and the court upheld the lower court's judgment, giving an unprecedented legal affirmation to state rights.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class